Me too.
Yes.
Ghana a boy or AFCON qualify no more. Say nipa bi wo nuhu a kanye kasa a resignation. You just have to resign from the position you are occupying. But omo ni nuhu ena omo like so they don't have much conscience.
Why mistake?
That is the point.
They
don't see the magnitude of how disgraceful they are. And Guasia no de abre Ghana no omu troka modern bono ma dead, they don't see it. And that is why people still have the courage to go on radio and talk about e pamu atetanka ka asna medru say. Law and order ntia o. Nye law and order nka sabre efefo nka ko fa chioma papa o masu mukruma. But law and order nti people are just quiet. Kaminu Shadu kotuo ye interview about nka ko fo agbo ewura ho. Na nkoma ma na feel how it is. And in Guasia no mode ato ye no be na feel the pain of it. But law and order nti.
I'm sure you are not calling on people to
me
do
say
that.
Law and order nti no. Waka san sebe sem basa no e no afa no wadi. Ghana ebo a match e wo kruma. Look at the level I reduce abedru. Ya be ball kruma. Na stadium no was virtually empty. The among the aba no. More ban mo say passion ni ho, so you are bringing back the laugh. And ne bisa say is the laugh back. Someone say bring back the laugh. And ne baby I'm the blasters ni be dru ye no. Can you tell me say the laugh is back? Because if the laugh is back, Blasters enya penalty against Niger. Emma Ghana for ball away. Ghana ball against Niger. Omo pamofa video of the stadium non toso. Na he nipa na egu stadium. This is your performance. And you still have the boldness, the audacity to go and sit on radio. Oh, resign. Oh, keke kasebe. Sembasa. Because obi ntimi nya ohe. Omo brebeso. Some bebe kumase. Ebe twa omo World Cup qualify no. Omo abeto ye wa ha. Ba bisto to.
That's also right fine.
Antu do omo ntana ho. Omo mbo ho. Omo ebe bo omo. Na ode bisto to ebe to aso.
Okay, into call next one and after.
Me ho to. Lewura Asante Kotoko kakra. Na man, I'll always say it, and I've been saying it. Say, I believe that Asante Kotoko betimi afan into my pay fra to the management structure, it deserves an attention. Asante Kotoko cannot be run with Nana Penkra, Coach Ogum, Coach Akwesi Apia, or on a part-time basis. Tani Pami and Sawi, or Moya Kotoko names to there will be issues. When the team is performing well, what will happen is that, and I'm saying team in the morning more so any team so too, you the deficiencies in the structure. By the moment that team be lose, that is where you see the importance of management structure to manage the crisis. But to us the under the IMC lose ne start to say because the pillars to manage crisis anyhow. So when the team is winning, it looks like everything is okay. But crisis can kick to every man in three so pay. A bit near Tifri aqua, a bit dreading in a until say a year the epesay and son of my kikabo masamaso. And that is where management comes in. So, Mr. Tomedi, I strongly believe that the Asante Kotoko management needs to be reinforced. And now I'm a Manchester City, Mr. To Mubarak no Mr. To free a city group no. So he's a member of the family. And on my head. Oko PSG, something similar now. So I believe that if Asante Kotoko is being run from Menchia, you penny free Menchia, especially the finance aspect of the club, because I want a man for FSU dream power. Near the if you're hene to I have no problem. But I'm so to you know. Because I study most of the companies are and I say investment tomato clubs now. Normally the head you need a tour. But they appoint competent people for the other departments. The Manchester City befa Chikri Bekistan befa Ferran Soriano. But to Omar Barada Manchester United. He was at Manchester City. So the experts will now work under the team near the dia where you who nipa say or representing the interest, no, they work under him. Both say Jumane Koso. Until he will protect the interest of his people. He will make sure say the direction of his people. Jumano baby, Jumano niti free no, we will focus on the direction. But the main execution will be done by competent people. Dika Kotoko say no, nana penkra wa hoyi oyo hini. Nanka other structures ne ye adwuma to manage the issues with Kotoko. But Mr. Toya can say you know. Let's look at certain things. Coach Ogun and why he's a big problem Asante Kotoko on the field. Honey Eko. Mr. Kotoko ma go through 9 matches. 9 matches. Kotoko about 11. But I have data on 9 matches. 9 matches here, Mr. Tumbeka Kotoko 65 corner kicks. Good. Kotoko Young Apostles onya 6 corner kicks. Kotoko Accra Lions onya 11 corner kicks. Kotoko Samates onya 8 corner kicks. Kotoko Nsuatremai Obuas onya 7. Kotoko Nations onya 8 corner kicks. Kotoko Bechem United onya 8 corner kicks. Kotoko Legon Cities onya 9 corner kicks. Baseke, that's the match at Kotoko the least number of corner kicks, that is 3. And against Heart of Lions onya 5 corner kicks. So matches makuna ya Mr. Tuma Bodin. Asante Kotoko 65 corners from these matches 9. And Mr. Tuo, with the exception of Baseke Holy Stars match, Baseke nya 4 corners against Kotoko. They are the only side on the Kotoko aboboa when you more corner kicks than Kotoko. Match amenya data near Karela Dieno and a Brikum Chelsea. I didn't get the data for that. Basa 9 Kotoko nya more corner kicks than all the teams, with the exception of Baseke. 65 corner kicks Mr. Tuo Kotoko nche go obakum. This is coaching. Yes, we have issues with the management structure, but this is coaching. Where a coach Juma. You cannot be getting these free kicks, corner kicks. No to remember free kicks. Free kicks ya didiama Kotoko line and no crowd and the bebre. A betwam 60 maker. But corner. The question someone will ask say, so where you coach? Now who's over ball? The average corner kicks you get per game is 7.3. Next when you corner crowd when you mark 7. It means that open one chance to score goal. You have 5 free kicks in by. But corner, unya mark 7. It is a try so there. Over corner 7. Over maximize even 1. It means that you have 1 goal per game based on these statistics. Inti baby say oko training grounds wa adakwaja achewa. What is your corner routine? Team niya corner routine be no mode. And we are talking about a Kotoko team. I don't cast a players nature. Fortunately, you play a 3-back system. The 3-back system, or Samba, or Ablo, or Blay, these are all players we talk about how good they are in the air. Obe anymore, we talk about Albert Tamoa, Oswadia, but exceptional when it comes to jumping. And what has been your strategy? When you are executing corner, you shut the obo and the receivers. Kotoko, check the videos of players now joining Kotoko now. Saka Dauda is an exceptional corner kick taker. He's an exceptional free kick taker. 8 goals not share last season. Edema Bofono, name 3 free kicks. Emmanuel Entry, ne statistics ne daho. Patrick Esiedu, ne die daho. Even Albert Amoa, go and watch his videos. His game against Adriana, 35 yards above free kick share. These are omo fans on betimi abo ball. Then we talk about omo betimi apemase. It's question here baby say coach no then na we with this data. Where you me ameti abontin when you me me be team na wouldn't the strength of the team. He has not been utilizing this. Now Mr. to ahwe Kotoko boa. Adia ba ko a Kotoko tenya pie free kicks around the penalty box. And everybody who is watching Kotoko will attest to the fact that Kotoko free kick ni beda ho a uhu di obo. Akwaya try your luck. Emmanuel and Chitim Bejinaho, no a Bobby. Ese pe mo se baba ya Bejinaho, obo ba ko ne se ma me so me Bobby. Bo se we so boss na next one bo se we Bejinaho. Free kick team na players be 5. Omo nyina kwa akogina ho. That how what is this? Then omo ye no. Whilst you should be able to demarcate say we kire we na what power. We na fan say our power inti your strategy ni say your boss shot from distance. Say the box na no ebia ye pejam dia kwato last pool. Obi free one kopem say all these things are coaching. Enya na pinkra. Enya supporters enya duro eye kire omo training grounds. For mu kotena da kwaja ache ho, for mu kotena boardroom. Only video analyst for the nchi omo ntena se and designing a strategy to utilize it. Moto debia ya na talking about Arsenal. Moto ye kan Arsenal asem. Debia moto te ya na ye kan Arsenal nya free kicks. Omunya corner obobo ma efe. Ye nka wa ha. So why is that Asante Kotoko? Enya these numbers of corner kicks 65 Mr. Tuo 65 corner kicks in 9 matches. Now untimi ball ba konse. This is coaching. Mr. Tuo, away from that, let's talk about another thing. Asante Kotoko, in terms of conceding goals, Kotoko has been conceding goals through pressing. Pressing. Opponents have realized that Asante Kotoko team person mo pass free actually. They said the omo ye say omo ne Kotoko ba omo pressure Kotoko players no omo half mu. Against Lagos Cities, that's display ball pass che any other question Kotoko. Against Heart of Lions, omo press Samba Emma Kamara ko ball pass and the Koma Obin Junior Emma omo say. Against Nations, omo press Kamara Emma omo ko say. Me too, I can give you other instances omo press yaje but omo ntimi amfa ball na to net. This is coaching. So if you are realizing say Kotoko team no opponent na start my defenders need pressure. My defenders need to build it. They are pressuring the goalkeeper. And you coach so who say this is what is leading to the individual errors. Man ko for saying. But what now near the shebako, near the shemienu, near the shemiensa. Yan konko blame obi otenchen. So I have issues with the management structure of Asante Kotoko. But the head coach on the bench, no to oh boy ansu try. The issue of high line on Asante Kotoko.
Na no go try no go try.
On same to Kotoko defenders no. Coach ni ma mu pushi ba anim. Enti opponent ni ball ni to akira. Na fe no mu chase. These are all things that is a problem with the structure of Asante Kotoko. Enti omo kan kire coach no. We lose format. The leadership of Asante Kotoko. They should tell the coach. Moto, the last one. Ogum substitutions. Ogum the substitutions. And far results be emba. Oh, they are making. Those who are watching should start going through it. Say, you read this season. From March day 5 Honebano. Omo go through players be ogum the free bench aba. Near be say players ni free bench buy. Omo timi be sesa game ma Kotoko wini ana. Big teams punish opponents in the last minute. Until they say only penny be grow na mumpum. The last from 80th minute ba. And sumpum emre.
Agro don't know we grow very now.
One be ko sumpum. You analyze the Kotoko team, Mr. Two. From the 80th minute to end the game, Kotoko ntimi she go. So but these are all technical issues. If you lose against Ediana, Asante Foko, what choice annihilation letter na mumpem baby nko.
Asante Foko.
So na any on managing no. On any PR person. Until on managing the public relations. But I was going through the records of Kotoko. I'm struggling to get a time I Kotoko lose 5 matches with one coach. Me makomo wa me ebia historians for me boame. But makomo akwa echira say coach back on not ho no lose 5 matches me. So it might be a record. He's on the verge of setting. It want to turn in your may, Mr. O'Toole.
Kangen Energic drinking water. A alkaline water. Kangen Energic drinking water. A safe, refreshing, ɛna ɛwɔ mfaso pii ɛde nipadua no rich in minerals to say calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron. The biano obi onom kanji biano chese what ye ojina ye eti mauda abass waba be microphone ba
eti mauda pa
tibo mem kanji water no
I chance on not Kotoko players no me a light meeting me. Said they are also not happy with.
Obed 2 minutes there your gate man go chop with you from the same place.
Also me no ga.
Obey acrofi. Obed gate man be on the same place.
That's what I'm saying. Waka no. Me no me hwe na me.
So they be say atopa bi be ku siase o. Yeko.
Me I chance on some come be ana players need Kotoko players no. I'm so almost both supporters and especially circle for both for papa.
Are you sure?
Oh yeah. Say, born and here, bono. Yeah, we are not playing knockout. Yeah, but league. They hear points. It told me all we needed was to win and get the 3 points and be there at the top there. Yeah, born here, Shana Moody Diatem 1-0 and papa. And one of the players means say, young coach as bear 2 months on my boy, just 1-0. I don't know what sound on the call. But Obia di. But when they were winning and at least getting the results,
okay.
And then no, I'm say choirs why now NCA supporters for leadership no be no a type bi mochi and the pressure and the end munyado 1-0 and papa no and then they share the mama do and the thing say the supporters leadership ni bi mu so a problem that they think say so muso musuman na omo sesa say bibia betimi akonkan ya
okay almao
me kind papa
this I guess this weekend there was sports heroes confused
oh me penalty brutal
Kotoko hat
on ma near ibo take say on fa kumasi player biem so sa you know
unim obeka kon fast free
house no e shi nti afi kumasi player am say dabi
confused so
ya ma wa ye die
o e basin by down
okay
is in the house
and ya aduma ne push on so be dey
hey
anuma o
ono so ni masem kanti
papa o momu swing sada ndi
alwa
Kamikaze Junction Junction me na msa Junction side okay
abass it you
eti dia kan say see ya na de yeko na form ye shia nyobi na kire ko tres won frosoro ti ono ana be kwa tarsoro wa ko ti se form badwo na wa ba sisi o wa ire nka bi nhemu ya ti se
ono ana ya
ngofo e be free bu ase nyeme na me ye awia de se won se de bi ga mi ka go to ase mi nya yenya na ye fa fichire yi ubo se kotra awia boa na o mtetare dan so e foma ye hye tia thank you foma ye hye di foma ye hye no bi na tia boa kotra se won frosoro nti se foma ye hye am o bo ase a o mtera wa ntrawa ne nuri yeso na yeso ye me hwe betima ye obo ase obo ase asem ne de ehia ye pa hia supporters o mtera wa so me who can work in Morocco work henom no boy work na as Raja work na good no for as Raja Raja Saturday you fi boku mu ba me do report on about yes Raja for Jacob no na nkofo bi di jama free so as da ye di mo nyame
na wa mo
Raja supporters o mu kumasi a ara fo tutu nyom ara fo na tutu nyum asida yedi mo nyame uye yakọ akobobo na be fama omotra wa house of folk nyame aduma
Raja fo akobobo obo ase o se Raja
as good 93 sorry 97 dabi kuma se for minim bebre
amotimbe
o mi bebre be o bi Kotoko e bi susu o ba bi bebre am ka mu bomu na ase da ye di nam se ma bi se Kotoko bo match na bai nam se o Kotoko mo match o George waja na Jacob na free as good for nsam tam from go face e no se mo yes enyo nam so mo de sa no mti o Om dia se de manya me ko don pa bam.
Na maame no we.
Maame no so fro me po no ko se pe. And was mba na Kotoko bobo da be am hantinam se bio. Abio. No se go fu enyum die do. Om dia se de manya me obi o mo bo om dia se de manya me. Nam so om tamfo ahwiase. Tom dia se de ma uwie ya asesa ne ma ko bo na be fa ma. Om ntena ho amo. House of folk nyame adu na chena 7 o'clock. 7. And Ouattara be say na de no. Nya hwehwe mu. Ouattara shepre kumayen. Ko ya pre ko working ve o yi ni ntimi no. Olympics no. O li ni ntimi no.
Obe ti Ouattara ya pre kulu so mbe pa.
And yes,
for coaches are betting me lose some job.
Ya pre
ko.
And Adoma coach.
Ya we champion. And Jimmy Kwabna.
Oh, boss, when the abo. President me do man pay makasa fi ho.
Coaches.
O ma catch up coach ni sese nyame aduma sande olusu.
Ya we champion lose o mo pam.
Ogum
susu a ya be pam.
Eti ya catch coach ni se sergeant so break my because am ye.
Aba dey that say.
Infante we are league na say ye be call of kakra on the first ye be bo FA Cup no. Say ya ne immigration bi. Immigration me bo asim no say immigration aka wa akra. Nti ye be bo on the first ye be ko break and say ne Kotoko de no aba be shia.
Okay. Aba said that say. Man call Hubert.